Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, wetin you still dey wait for? Please hit that red subscribe button down there. Make you click that small bell wey dey beside that, so that you go dey notified whenever I put any video here, guys. Thank you very much and God bless you. So guys, today Regina Daniel matter na bring me come today. So guys, Regina Daniel, as we know now, our beautiful actress, as we all know. So her husband talk say Regina Daniel na virgin. Regina Daniel never like shine any Congo, na very fresh fish. So according to Nen, that is Nen Nwoko, na be husband of this beautiful actress Regina Daniel. Na be in a Nigeria billionaire, in a politician. So according to an interview with journalist in Instagram, so he talk say in Regina Daniel na virgin wey know Regina Daniel. So this journalist answer say, but why e can't be say na Regina Daniel you can't go for? So this man say Regina Daniel, he not know Regina Daniel as actress, because then he know they use Facebook, he know they use Instagram, he know they watch Nigerian movie. You understand? But why he not go like Regina Daniel? Because he like Regina Daniel naturally when he see Regina Daniel for a village. Like I said before, say na village he for met Regina Daniel. He say he like her when he see Regina Daniel, especially when he see and say that place where he for come. Now Regina Daniel for still come. That is the same place where he for come. Regina Daniel for still come. He say he don't always dey pray. Say he go get somebody from his side one day. He go find one very decent girl from that place one day. So this man come talk say he marry Regina Daniel as a virgin, and Regina Daniel not be only Regina Daniel na still be virgin for among of his wife. All his wife na virgin. So a lot of people come dey attack this man, say why you go dey talk bad bash, why you go dey talk all those things, say this Regina Daniel, this fresh fish na just like that, there's no man don go there, how come, why you dey talk all those things, the man too like women, this that and that blah blah blah. Fine, I understand, I really get down. But I am asking you that is watching me, that is listening to my voice right now, you where they watch me, and I ask myself, can that old man like mature man and adult like that come outside for Instagram, like come outside for interview, social media, they talk say a wife, the life say a wife na virgin? No, e know wetin e see, no say na truth, say e wife na virgin, all of e wife na virgin. That one no mean say people will like they attack people, they quit they like attack people, and they quit they judge people, say Regina Daniel as a fresh as he do this fresh, why e be say she na virgin. If you're my brother, my sister, if you're not a virgin, does not mean that someone else is not a virgin. Yeah, it's not a virgin, don't think so. Okay, it might be possible really that Regina is a virgin. Yes, not be by makeup, not be by say person they wear bun short, not be by say person they like they wear small things, they think they know that person a virgin, decent girl or not. No, don't judge somebody by his she or appearance. You understand? If the person they put belly for, or like they post anything, like you they look, hey, not be by appearance person they spoil. Being a virgin, they not write down for the person forehead. You know this our sister where be say that they write, they go just like tie gele, like wear buluku, carry Bible, they go say they go church. My friend, my brothers, my sister, they not they go any church, most of them they go my house. Their parents will be proud of them. Oh, this is my child, you never know, ma, he's very decent and that, but you don't know that it's going to a man's house to go and spend the night there. You understand? So you don't really know if it is true. I don't really know if it is true or not, but I believe that Regina, and I believe that Regina Daniel was a virgin when Nen met her. You understand me? So I believe say she na virgin. You understand? Because Regina always talk and say he go break her virginity for her husband wey go marry her. He no go break her virginity for any boy or any man, but man wey be say he go marry, wey go born him pikin for. So it might be truth that Regina was a virgin. Like I said before, not be by person, like person they wear bun short, they make up, they like snap picture with boys, follow boys, they laugh, that person is spoil. No, it does not. It is not by appearance. You don't judge people like by his or appearance. It might be that this is what make this person, that is making the person to be happy. Now, when they make the person they happy, the person they do. You understand? Man, my English. You understand? So the man say age no matter, as long say the person as in na one mind all of us get, as long as say the person adult, age no matter to am in any way. You understand? But a lot of people attack the man, say the man a lie, he know exactly, he no know Regina Daniel, he no know how, as in, I don't know. He say no know. A lot of people call and say in a greedy man, something like that. He say some people say who cares, some people say stories, some people say think before you talk. You know, like some people say why if you say Regina Daniel as she fresh like this, so she never like know any man. You know, he say he never like know any man. And a lot of people dey ask am say nen however you know say how you come take notice all those your wife say they be virgin before you marry them or when you don't marry them. But I don't understand. You as a man, you don't know, you as a man dating a girl, if he is a virgin or not, won't you know? I don't know. You go must know say the person a virgin or not be virgin. You understand? So as in, like I said before, I say like you that is listening to my voice, like watching me, you just think say that man just like just come outside the talk waiting not be like waiting not the, because a lot of people say what about Somadina and Regina Daniel? Okay, that means Regina Daniel and Somadina never have anything, you know, like an affair together and all those stuff and that. Really, let us see. Though, as in, if Regina Daniel and Somadina were having peace together, does not mean that the both of them were dating them. Really, I don't really know. I don't know how to put it. You know, like I don't know how I would take put am now. Somadina and Regina Daniel, they never ever like date or have anything. If it be say Somadina and Regina Daniel they snap picture together, then they laugh together, hold their self like boyfriend and girlfriend. You see so person like that does not mean that the person is the person the person girlfriend. You know say we on this side anything we see now so we dey like we go dey talk say the person if you see man and woman dey waka na go say na person boyfriend and girlfriend. If Somadina and Regina Daniel has the same color, like they laugh together, they hold themselves, they snap picture together, the both of them are young actor and actress, the both of them can play however they want it, because Regina Daniel herself then never marry, and number two, she na actress and she still see a younger actor. So if the both of them they play like snap picture together, does not mean that the both of them are married and are dating. Because me, I never see when somebody don't come outside say Regina Daniel and girlfriend say Regina Daniel break your heart or like that. You understand? So that's by the fact say Regina Daniel, to me, he never ever date this boy, Somadina. If at all say fine, okay, say he date Somadina, it doesn't mean that Somadina really sleep with her. Let's clarify me. Does it mean that she sleep with him, or it means say Somadina sleep with him? It's not compulsory you date person, say person must sleep with you. Yes, it's not compulsory. Say you date person that the person must sleep with you. This is what I've experienced. I don't know for other person, but to me, it does not compulsory that you date someone that person must sleep with you. Do you understand? Okay, if at all maybe Regina Daniel, she's a young lady, maybe she just say may I just deal with one guy, like maybe we just see they play, they see they cope together, but my man why I wan marry, like man wey be say I go born for that man, na I go fit break my virginity with. I no go fit break my virginity with any other person, but I will just be dating a guy, like tell that guy say I go dey date you, but I will not allow you to shine the Congo. You understand? I'm not gonna allow you to jogodo me. So I been me no understand. As in, really, like I said, like I talked before, Regina Daniel may be virgin. You understand? She might be a virgin. You understand? So it is very possible. It is very possible. Say she na virgin. Because not be anybody we say maybe the person it's not by that really. Exposing yourself, like making up, like wearing all sorts of that the person is very, like the person's boy and all those things. No. Hell no. No. Yeah. Regina Daniel, it may be true that Regina Daniel, she was a virgin. Her husband might be right. Okay, her husband might be right. Say Regina Daniel never ever like chop cassava before he marry. You understand? Or your wife may be a virgin. So guys, what do you think about this video? Let's see your opinion. Like what do you think about the video? Let's see your opinion. Please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button. Ciao.